Hello viewers and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a delicious pumpkin and banana smoothie. Now if this is your first time watching any of my videos, leave a comment to introduce yourself, give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Now let's go straight into the video. These are the ingredients that I'm going to use to make this delicious pumpkin and banana smoothie. Now this is the pumpkin. These are some well-ripe bananas. I have some nutmeg here, some cinnamon powder, some honey, and in this glass here what I have is some natural coconut water. It's about a third of this pumpkin and I'm gonna cook it for about 3 minutes. I just want it to be half cooked and then I'll take things from there. This is the pumpkin. Just gonna cut this. You can see how rich this pumpkin look. Very good quality. I've removed the belly part with the seeds of the pumpkin, and I'm just going to remove some of the skin, the outer bit, not all of it, not all of it. Okay, so now that I remove what I want, what I'm doing is just cutting each piece in 3. If you cut it too small, it might get too soft, so that's the reason why I just cut each slices in 3. This is my pumpkin, and basically what I've done over here is to add some water in a pan, and I bring the water to a boil. What I'm gonna do is just to add the pumpkin in, and I'm gonna allow this to cook for 3 minutes. I just want it to be halfway cooked, or maximum halfway cooked. So 3 minutes maximum, and then I will turn off the hob and throw off the water, because if I leave the pumpkin in the hot water, it will continue to cook and get a bit softer, and I don't want it too soft. I just want it to be maximum halfway. So right, so 3 minutes has passed, and what I've done is to turn the hob off and drain the water off as well. So it's just the pumpkin in the pot now, so I'm just gonna leave this and let it cool, and then I'm gonna make the smoothie. So I'm just gonna get some of the pumpkin in this jug here. I don't think I'm gonna use all of this. Yeah, that should be enough. So I'll put this aside, and well-ripe bananas, as I said before. Just gonna peel the bananas and just break them in smaller pieces and just put them in the jug as well. This is some nutmeg. I'm just gonna add some nutmeg to this. Likewise, I'm gonna add some cinnamon. The amount I'm making here will serve about 4 people, to be honest, about 4 glasses. This is some ice. I like to put ice in my smoothie, so I'm just going to add some ice. This is the coconut water. You don't want to put too much water on your smoothie. If you see any of my videos before, I've always stated not too much water. If you haven't watched those videos, please go and check them out. I'd appreciate that. And I'm going to add some honey, not a lot of honey, because the banana is sweet, the coconut water is sweet, and even the pumpkin has sugar, so not a lot of honey. Now that all of my ingredients are now in the jug, I'm just going to blend everything together. Best part of preparing this smoothie now, I'm gonna have a taste. This is absolutely delicious. I'm not exaggerating. This is absolutely delicious. You need to try it. One thing I didn't mention is the preparation time. If you take out half cooking the pumpkin itself, the blending take me literally a couple minutes. Some nice, simple but healthy recipes. Pumpkin, a lot of nutrients, banana, so much nutrients, coconut water as well, nutmeg and cinnamon. That was all I used to make this lovely, delicious pumpkin and banana smoothie. I hope you like this video. Please give me a thumbs up, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Look out for the next video. Thanks for watching. Goodbye. This is absolutely delicious.